Captain Toopy here, flying through space, exploring new worlds. Wow! We found something! Come on! Captain Binoo, Captain You, let's press the zoomy button! Zoomy! Look! There's a big funny thing! It's so squishy! What do you think it is? A sponge? Look, Captain Binoo, it's a sponge! Whoops! It fell! Look at that! The sponge floats! Now the sponge is full of water! How can I get the water out? Squeeze it? Wow! The sponge is empty again! All I had to do is squeeze it! Brilliant idea! Uh-oh! Now there's water everywhere! How should I get it back in the bowl? You want me to use the sponge? Look at that! The sponge soaked up all the water! You're so smart, Captain You. And you too, Captain Binoo. Sponges sure are good for picking water up and squeezing it back out again. Well, this sponge was really fun. Let's go back to the ship and look for new things to explore. Ready?